When it comes to marketing, especially content marketing and automations, personalization is of huge importance. And that's what we are going to talk about in this section, the importance of personalization in customer engagement. In today's digital age, personalization has become a crucial factor in effective customer engagement. This presentation explores why personalization is not just a buzzword but a necessity for businesses to stand out in a sea of generic marketing messages. We'll dive into the data behind personalization's impact, explore real world success stories, and provide actionable insights to improve your customer engagement strategies. Let's dive in. Talking about the frustration of generic marketing. Limited time offer, don't miss out, buy now, and so many similar messages. Ever feel like you are drowning in the sea of generic marketing messages? Well, you're not alone, and your customers feel exactly the same way. Today, we are diving into why personalization is not just a buzzword, it's the difference between your message landing in someone's priority inbox or their trash folder. And trust me, the numbers are going to shock you. Generic marketing messages often lead to customer frustration, whereas personalized messages create a positive customer experience. Let's talk about the personalization paradox. You walk into two stores. Store 1, as the salesperson shouts generic offers at everyone who enters. In store 2, someone greets you. What experience would you prefer? Well, do I need to even answer that? 71% expect personalization of customers. 71% of customers expect companies to deliver personalized interactions. 76% get frustrated when personalization does not happen. And 17% of companies only excel at personalization, meaning 83% of the companies are sending generic messages. And that is why 17% of the companies are winning, are growing, are scaling, and are really successful. Why personalization matters? Let's talk about a few factors that makes personalization really important. Number 1 is the trust factor. Customer trust. 80% of customers are more likely to purchase from brands that provide personalized experiences. For an example, Spotify, it wrapped massive success. So Spotify's wrapped massive success demonstrates the power of personalization. I hope you are already aware of what Spotify's wrapped is. If not, it wrapped up your entire years of music listening history into one excellent playlist and all of that. If you haven't heard of it yet, go to Spotify, look for Spotify Wrapped feature, and you'll find it. The revenue impact. So personalization has a very big revenue impact. 40% more revenue from personalized marketing, 3x conversion rates with personalization, and 20% higher satisfaction. That's all the power of personalization. The competitive edge. Well, when you personalize, you definitely get the competitive edge. Something like Netflix, it saves $1 billion annually through personalization. Amazon attributes 35% of its revenue to personalized recommendations. Now 35% can make or break your business, and that's the power of personalization. When personalization is done right, for an example, Starbucks mobile app success. It gives you personalized drink recommendations based on previous orders and preferences. Time of the day suggestions recommends different drinks for morning, afternoon, and evening. And then you have location-based offers, provide special deals based on nearby Starbucks locations. Well, this results in 2x customer engagement. Personalization done right with Sephora's virtual assist, personalized product recommendations based on skin tone and preferences, with a virtual try-on feature allows customers to see how products look on their face. Results 11% increase in conversions. Now that we know what are the benefits of personalization, what are the common pitfalls to avoid? Over personalization, the creepy factor. When personalization goes too far and makes customers uncomfortable. For example, Target's pregnancy prediction controversy. Now, Target's algorithm predicted a teen's pregnancy before her family knew, raising privacy concern. Now, that's hyper personalization, which should not be there. So, you need to avoid over personalization. Poor timing. Now, right message but the wrong time. Sending personalized content at inappropriate times can be counterproductive. For example, late night marketing messages. Avoid sending promotional messages during sleep hours, which can annoy customers. Inaccurate data? Well, the importance of data hygiene. Ensure your customer data is accurate and up to date for effective personalization. Implement regular data cleaning and verification processes. Remember, personalization is not about knowing everything about your customer. It's about using what you know respectfully and meaningfully. As a next step, take one piece of your current marketing content, identify 3 different ways you could make it more personalized, and trust me, your customers will notice the difference. Remember, in a world of mass messages, be the one that makes your customers feel seen. And that's the power of personalization. We'll dive deeper into personalization in the next couple of sections. But for now, if you have any questions on this, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section or the comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.